this. All right. So one of the more famous sequences is a sequence made by Fibonacci. Okay. What? Fibonacci. Okay. So some specifics that you need to know about Fibonacci. Their seeds, F1 and F2, always start you out as 1, 1. Okay. So you're not going to be given the Fibonacci sequence on your test. You're going to have to create it if you need it. So the way you do it is always write down your first 2 seeds. 1, 1 every time. To create the rest of your Fibonacci sequence. So to get this, it says I need to go back 1. Plus, I also need to go back 2 and add these 2 numbers together. So 1 plus 1 gives me 2. So the third number in the sequence is a 2. To get 4, I need to go back and add 2 and 3 together. So 1 plus 2 gives me
3.
And just keep going. 3 and 2 together give me
5.
5.
8.
5 and 3 give me 8.
13. 21. 34. 55.
Fantastic.
It's written right up there. That's how I did it.
Yeah.
It's at the top.
I want to do the math. Make sure. You know, type of what was wrong.
Okay, so if I asked you to find f sub 11, how would we do that?
55 plus 34.
Good. We need to add together f sub 10 plus f sub 9. And f sub 10 is a 55 plus f sub 9, which is a 34.
89.
So f sub 11 is 89. Okay? This one down here, they want us to find f sub 15.
Well, we got f sub 11.
Well, we got 11, but I need to get 12, and then 13, and then 14 before I can even think about getting 15. So I need to find f sub 12. What? 144. Okay? 89 plus 55. 144. Then I need to find f sub 13. So 144 plus 89.
It's 233.
So we have to do all of them up till 15.
Right. That's the part that sucks. I now need to get 14, so I have to add 233 and 144. You said 377? Okay, and now we can get f sub 15. So 377 plus 233 gives you 610.
It's okay easy so far.
That's easy. Right?
It is, but it gets lengthy. What if I asked you to find f sub 68?
I'm waiting for ZMR.
I ain't doing it.
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting for ZMR or render and I can update papers.
Okay, so number 3 tells us they want us to use f sub 5 and f sub 6 to find f sub 7 and to work backwards and find f sub 4. What value do we have for f sub 5?
5.
It's a 5. What value do I have for f sub 6?
8.
8. So to get f sub 7, what do I do? Add them. 5 plus 8 is 13. If I want to work backwards and get f sub 4, we subtract the 2. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So then I can give you something like number 4. So f sub 36 is 14,938,352. F sub 37 is 24,157,817. If I want to find f sub 38, what do I do to those 2 numbers? Add them. So here you would add. Give me the answer. Y'all got a calculator. Don't act like you don't.
Bro. Wait, hold on, wait.
Hold up. Slow yourself. Oh yeah, no, I calculated.
39 million, 88,169. Yeah.
39,088,169.
Why'd you put add?
Because you add the two numbers. Okay. If I wanted to find f sub 35, then we subtract. To work backwards, we subtract.
39 million. Wait a minute.
Got it.
Wait a minute.
Oh God.
9,227,465. Yeah, Michael. On it today. I'm on it today.
Okay. So, if I wanted to find f sub 12, what do I need to add together?
F sub 11 and F sub 10.
Okay, so when you do that, it's what, 89 and 1 and 55?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that gives me 144. Okay, please pay attention to part B and part C as I go over this. Okay, there is a difference between f sub 12 minus 1 and f sub 12 minus 1. Okay, take a look at where this 1 is.
It's like the end.
It's a big old 1. So what this left side is saying is find the number for f sub 12 and then take 1 off. So this is 144 minus 1, which is 143. The other side, that minus 1 is not a big number on the outside. It's down with that 12. So technically here, I'm trying to find f sub 11. Okay.
I keep writing 4 sub F.
So your answer here is 89. So please be cautious on whether it's a big number, bless you, that needs to be subtracted after you get the number, or is that changing your sub value, which changes your Fibonacci number? Okay, so same thing with C. F sub 12 divided by 4 is on the left. So you need to find the value for F sub 12, which is 144. Divide that by 4.
It's like it's 37.
36.
It's 36.
Okay, it comes out to be 36. The other one, however, the 4 is down in the sub with the 12.
12 would be F sub 3.
So technically I'm finding F sub 3, which is 2.
Okay, so this is clicking.
Okay, so you've got to be careful whether it is a big number that's being added or subtracted at the end, or divided at the end, or multiplied at the end, or is it down with the sub, which changes the F value that you're trying to find. So with A, I'm truly trying to find F sub what?
5. No, I'm sorry.
6. I'm truly trying to find F sub 6. 2 times 3 gives me 6. So F sub 6 is 8. What am I doing in the one right below it?
2 times 2, basically.
Okay, so 2 times the value of F sub 3. So this is 2 times 2, which is 4. Whoa. Okay,
Now,
part C, what am I doing?
you're doing
Find out what they are and then combine
times
them.
2.
1 times 2.
Oh man, I can't get this one.
Oh.
D, we're doing what?
5 times 8.
5 times 8.
40.
Nothing wrong with her.
Take a look at E.
Yeah, I'm giving up on that.
5 plus 8.
This time it's 5 plus 8.
13.
Can you see how easy I and J are?
I mean, I kind of do that. Same time.
Okay, F.
See this right here.
F is 89.
So when you
11. It's F11, which is
Good. This is actually F sub 11. The 5 and 6 are down in the subs, which makes this F sub 11, which is 89.
the next one is F sub 7, which is 13.
The next one is F sub 7, which is truly 13. Okay. H then is F9, which is 34, minus F2, which is 1.
33.
So
Come on,
it's
Michael.
33.
He said 32.
I suppose he was thinking it was actually F sub 3.
Yeah, I looked at the wrong number.
Okay.
This is where it gets
Michael just looked at I and goes, I ain't doing I and J.
Yeah, I
Nah,
did.
ain't gonna happen.
This is
Okay. So, first off, what is in the sub?
F sub.
F
Wait a
sub.
second. I get it. It's
Okay.
F. It's
Oh,
F8.
hold on. I need to get everybody on the same page. I'm so glad the light bulb went off in your head.
Right.
F sub 6 is the sub.
Right.
What value is F sub 6?
Hey.
Bro, I get it.
8. So you're truly trying to find F sub 8.
I get it. Wait a minute. So,
Processes.
Okay, yeah.
The sub is F sub 6. So you need to find the value of F sub 6 first.
And then you go to F sub.
And that gets put in as the sub.
Alright,
So F sub 6's value is 8.
so
So you need to find F sub 8. What is the value of F sub 8?
21.
21. So your final answer here is 21.
So this is all gonna be on the worksheet.
Oh,
Wow, we gonna finish this like what? It's about the easiest thing
Okay.
in the world.
So with J, what am I truly trying to find? F sub what?
13.
13.
That's up 13.
And we found out that earlier, which was what?
Was it a
Yes, 233.
233.
It equals 233.
Victory screen.
I don't know numbers.
Are we? Is that it?
I'm going to show you what you can memorize. I don't memorize this. I'm going to tell you right now, when I do Fibonacci, I literally write out the sequence.
I think that's what I'm doing.
It's just easier. But do you have the ability to find F sub 40?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait.
Is it going to take forever?
Yes.
Yes. Because you need F sub 38 and F sub 39 first. Okay? So there is an explicit formula, which means all you have to do is plug numbers into it, and you can find any Fibonacci number you want.
So we do all that. Y equals.
Is there a way to do it on the?
Wait till you see
calculator?
it. Yes. 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2 raised to the n.
Oh my God. That's why math-
Minus
That's not that bad.
1 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2 raised to the n. All divided by the square root of 5.
Math 3 all over again.
Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna write it out.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
Okay. This is exactly why I write it out if I ever need to use it in my life.
We need it.
Don't use it in life.
Because
Use it in this
I don't
class.
ever remember this formula
You'll
ever.
never use this in life. This is just like your class.
Okay, so your n values that you would plug in there is what you are trying to find. So if you're trying to find the 10th number in the Fibonacci sequence, n would be 10.
This
Okay.
formula is familiar.
It's like something when I saw her in the Charlotte class and I zoned out.
So if you look towards the bottom of the page, it will show you how to take this formula and store it into your computer so you don't, or into your calculator, so you do not have to keep repeating it and repeating it. It'll just be stored and you can use it. However, I have to clear out your calculators before your final. So I'm going to erase it.
What's the point?
Okay, so Again, my suggestion to you, you are more than welcome to use this, but my suggestion is to write it out. Okay.
I mean, I guess.
What if